If your company is expanding into new markets, regions, or countries, and you want to update your website along with all of its marketing assets, one of the most tedious tasks can definitely be the translation of all of your forms. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily translate your forms within HubSpot with just a couple of steps. Check this out. We're going to log into HubSpot and we're going to go to the marketing section over here and then choose lead capture and then forms. Right here is where I'm going to choose which form I actually want to translate to a different language. So let's choose, for example, test form number 4, and then I will go and just hover over that form, click on the actions button, and then in here I'm going to hit create translation. From here I'm going to choose which language I actually would like to set, and as you can see, HubSpot does give us what I would call probably the most popular languages out there. So we can actually have anything from French, German, Greek, Japanese, Spanish, Portuguese, you name it, right? So let's say I want to choose it for Spanish, Latin America style, and then I'll just hit create. I can even rename the form if I want to before proceeding to create it, but for now I'll just leave it as is and hit create. And that's pretty much all that is needed. You can now see that this form has now been translated in all of its fields, right? So for example, the first name, last name, and email fields have been translated to Spanish within the specific labels, yet it does respect the in HubSpot property, which is first name, last name, email. Those will still be filled out as per your CRM efforts, but it is a form that just got translated at the label level. So you can then proceed to update it. Once you proceed to update it, you hit publish, and you can see that you can actually choose to embed it, share the link, or if it's within HubSpot and you actually have the HubSpot CMS, you can quickly add it to any asset that you want. And there you have it. Now you can easily translate any of your forms at any time within just a couple of clicks into any of the most popular languages out there, or any language that your company actually wants to translate your forms into. Remember that this is a one-by-one process, so basically it is done on a form-by-form basis, but it is definitely more streamlined and faster than the alternative of going in and updating one by one of the fields or the properties that are in your form. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.